In this video, I'll show you how you can add a non-Steam game to your Steam account. Now first up guys is you're going to open up Steam, and from in here click on Store. Now in the bottom left corner you can see a little plus sign that says add a game. You're going to click on it. From in here what you can do is you have different options, but the one we're looking at is add a non-Steam game. So we're going to click on this. And from in here, it will search your PC for different programs that you have that is not on your Steam account. So we're just going to let this load for a little bit. And as you can see, it is now done loading. From in here, you can select anything that you want. Let's say I want to add World of Warcraft. I'm going to click on it and add selected programs. Now, once this is done, if I go to my library, I should be able to find the new game that I added, and it will be right here. As you can see, what you can do is you can right click here if you want to set a logo and background so it looks like these kind of games. That's basically how you can do it on Steam, guys. It's super simple, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.